President Trump is interviewing federal judges to see which one may be promoted to the Supreme Court. The president has narrowed his list of potential replacements for Justice Anthony Kennedy from 25 to 7. And there are 2 women on that short list and 1 person of color. Chip Reid is at the White House. Chip, good morning.
Well, good morning. The White House is putting together a team, some call it a war room, to help the president pick his nominee by his deadline of this coming Monday and then get that nominee confirmed by October.
They are really incredible people in so many different ways.
Speaking to reporters in the Oval Office, President Trump called his interviews with 4 potential Supreme Court nominees, quote, very interesting, and said he would be meeting with 2 or 3 more candidates.
I think the person that is chosen will be outstanding.
According to the Washington Post, President Trump interviewed 4 federal appeals court judges: Brett Kavanaugh, Amy Coney Barrett, Amal Thapar, and Raymond Kethledge. Kavanaugh clerked for Justice Kennedy and worked in the George W. Bush White House. At his confirmation hearing in 2006, he said he considered Roe v. Wade to be settled law.
If confirmed to the D.C. Circuit, I would follow Roe v. Wade faithfully and fully.
Barrett, a former Notre Dame law professor, grabbed the attention of conservatives last year when she defended her Catholic faith in her confirmation hearing.
My religious belief would not bear on the discharge of my duties as a judge.
Thapar would be the first Indian-American judge on the Supreme Court. From Kentucky, he is a favorite of Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. Kethledge, who's been on the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals for a decade, told senators at his confirmation hearing the best judges are ones who seek to apply precedent in good faith. Press Secretary Sarah Sanders said the president is not asking candidates about their views on Roe v. Wade.
As the president said last week, he's not going to discuss specific cases with those nominees.
Republican Senator Lisa Murkowski of Alaska, who supports abortion rights, says she would like the nominee to be in the mold of Anthony Kennedy, the retiring Supreme Court justice who was often a swing vote. And by the way, later today, the president will be meeting with another female candidate. That is Judge Joan Larson of the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals. Anthony?
Chip Reid. Thank you, Chip.